Okay, I'm gonna do a double melon review. This one is a Canary melon and this one's a mini watermelon, and it's Superstore I got them. So let's check it out. Uh-oh, the inside's all pink. Usually it's not like the super best sign. This was $7. It went up $1 since last year for mini watermelons at Superstore, so. That watermelon's gross. Give it like a 4. Whip bam! Canary melon time. This one was $10. I was gonna do a comparison, but there's no way that the mini watermelon's gonna be better than this Canary melon, so we'll see. And then pro tip, when you see the gel kind of like stuff, like the slimy stuff that's on the seeds and like pretty much any fruit, like papaya or these melons and whatever, like that's all the sweetness and all the sugar and the flavor. So if you take your spoon and core out the entire center and throw it away, you pretty much just threw away all the flavor of your melon. That's why I very gently kind of just move the seeds away. And then I never eat the seeds because they're poisonous. They're toxic. People are like, oh yeah, papaya seeds, they kill parasites. Well, yeah, they kill everything because they're poisonous. Like, you're killing yourself. So that's kind of dumb to eat seeds from fruit. They're toxic. They don't taste good. I don't eat them. Another thing, parasites are doing a job. They're like the garbage men, right? So like, you don't have any garbage to eat, they're not gonna be there. So it's not the parasites that's the problem. It's the fact that you got a bunch of garbage that the parasites are eating. Soft, sweet, juicy. This is a good watermelon. Or sorry, this is a good Canary melon. Probably gonna have to wait a little bit for better melons to come in, watermelon, but the Canary melons coming from Brazil are really good right now. Go to Superstore and buy some. I should just keep buying them, but they increase the price like crazy. Like, this is $10. How am I supposed to buy like 3, 4, 5 of these? Like $50 every time I go to buy 5? Like, it's too much. Not to mention I just paid $7 for this fucking garbage. Anyway, this is my Canary melon review. Not as good as the last one I reviewed, but this one, give this one maybe like a 7.8. The other one was a lot sweeter. So yeah, if you're interested in more health tips, more fruit tips and stuff, I'm creating a program and a mentorship where we can go through a health program and how to stay hydrated and recover and have your optimal recovery ability and stuff. So let me know if you want to join a mentorship program where we go over health and fitness. And yeah, you can get exclusive content and information that I'll teach you, and that's the whole point. So enjoy your fruit, get outside, get active, and hope you have a great day.